Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a huge jewelry try on of some Linjer pieces. I've shared this brand on my channel before, but if you're not familiar with Linjer, they focus mainly on dainty jewelry pieces that you can keep for years. These are gonna be mostly diamond pieces and then also 14 karat gold pieces. So I'm so excited to show you everything that I got. We're gonna unbox, we're gonna try them all on. This video is sponsored by Linjer. They gave me a discount to share with you guys. So I'm gonna have that linked down below in the description box. You can use my code, click the link, and that should apply the discount. But we're gonna go ahead and jump on in. I've got so much stuff to go through. I wanna just get into the unboxing and into the video. There's also a diamond tennis bracelet in here. So I'm very, very excited to get into this. So let's just go ahead and jump on in. We've got two boxes to go through. This is what the box looks like. It was actually covered in a plastic packaging to protect the boxes, but your order will arrive in some sort of cardboard box so that the actual pretty packaging is protected. And inside of our box, we've got the Linjer card, and the design of the inside is so pretty. I love the navy blue. It says meet your fine favorites, Linjer. We have the branded tissue paper with the logo, and their packaging is always so nice. In my last Linjer video, I highlighted so much on the packaging because it is truly such an experience. This is what our first box looks like. It has this beautiful navy ribbon, and their packaging uses a lot of recycled materials, which is really great as well. We're gonna go ahead and just open this up. This is what the box looks like. It says Linjer on it. And inside of this box, we have a jewelry box. There is a jewelry care card. This is what the jewelry box looks like. And when we open up the box here, we've got this gorgeous necklace. First of all, can we take a moment for the packaging though? The blue interior, the gold foiled brand name on the top here, and we have this beautiful pear cut lab grown diamond pendant necklace. This is a 14 karat gold setting and chain as well. They actually use 100% recycled gold and silver, so all of their materials are also upcycled, which is really cool. But this is such a gorgeous necklace. This necklace actually does come in sterling silver as well. I went ahead and got the 14 karat gold because I typically wear more yellow gold, but I just think this is so stunning. I love how dainty the chain is as well. Just really, really elegant. And this has a diamond carat weight of a little over half a carat. Such a good size for everyday wear. This would be so pretty layered with a shorter necklace. It actually does have an adjustable chain, so it can be worn at a 16, 17 inch or 18 inch length, which is so nice. So you can move it up and down depending on if you want to wear it by itself, if you want to wear it layered. But I think this is just absolutely stunning and would be such a beautiful gift. Right now I've got it on the 17 inch length, and I just think this is so pretty by itself. You could wear it with a shorter gold chain if you wanted to, but I think it looks really nice just as a solo necklace. Next up in the box, we've got another one of these larger jewelry boxes. I've said this before in my previous Linjer video, but I think this would be such a beautiful gift to receive because look at this jewelry box. It's so nice, and this is how you would receive your piece of jewelry, which I think is just really, really beautiful. I love this presentation. And inside of our box here we have the diamond tennis bracelet. I am the most excited for this piece by far. Another moment for the packaging. This bracelet is on this velvet pillow. It's so pretty. This is the Aurelia diamond tennis bracelet in 14 karat gold. This one is also created with lab diamonds. It has this beautiful subtle box clasp on it, which is very much out of the way and doesn't take away from the actual bracelet. Look at how beautifully these diamonds are set into this bracelet. They're so pretty. This one does come in a 6.5 and a 7 inch length. I got the 6.5 inch, and it also does come in sterling silver, but of course I got it in the 14 karat gold. The 6.5 has about a 1.5 carat total weight, and they're just so pretty. I also love how it looks from the side. I think the way they're set is just really, really beautiful and very dainty. And just to show you guys a close-up of the clasp here, I love how out of the way it is. It's very low profile, ties in really nicely to the design of the bracelet. You just push this down and this comes out. What's nice about this is that it truly will not just like fall off of you. It is kind of hard to get the clasp open, which is a good thing because it means it won't fall off and you won't lose it. This is such a good size tennis bracelet. Just wear every day. I love how sparkly it is, and again, the setting is just really unique. I've not seen a tennis bracelet where the diamonds are set like this. I think it's really pretty and delicate. Next box looks like this. A little bit of different packaging, but still has the blue ribbon, and then you can actually recycle this packaging once the ribbon is removed. Inside of this box looks like we have a dust bag. This is what the interior of this packaging looks like. All of the little details are so well thought out. This is what the dust bag looks like. Again, it's that really beautiful navy blue with the gold foil lettering. And inside of this bag here, it looks like we have a ring. This is the thin dome ring in 14 karat gold. Again, the recycled gold. This is the Mia ring. So delicate and dainty. You can see it's thinner along the back of the ring, and then the top has that really nice simple dome shape to it, which is very pretty. This is a more thin dome ring, so really subtle. It'll be beautiful for stacking. I just slipped it onto my middle finger next to this other Linjer piece that I have. This is the marquee and round diamond ring. So stunning. And then I love it paired with this thin dome ring. I also love their solid gold pieces because you can shower in them and wash your hands. You don't have to baby them quite as much. They're really good for everyday wear. And then on my pointer finger, I have on the graduated diamond ring, which is also from Linjer. It has the lab diamonds that start bigger in the center and then sort of taper along the sides. One of my favorite pieces from Linjer. And then if you wanted to wear all three of them together, this is what it looks like to have the thin dome ring almost as like a spacer between the two diamond rings. That's one of my favorite things about Linjer is if you like to stack your rings, most of their rings are just very dainty, so they're really great for stacking, or you can obviously wear them by themselves for more subtle looks. But I really like to stack my Linjer pieces. But just to show you guys what the thin dome ring looks like by itself, it's honestly just a beautiful everyday piece. So simple, but really pretty. It's time to get into our second box, which, if you can believe it or not, this one actually has the most pieces. Look at all of these jewelry boxes we get to go through. This is what the box looks like. It is a bit deeper. I love their packaging. I've said it like a million times, but it is truly such an experience. The cardboard box has Linjer on the top, and then once we open it up, we have a similar jewelry box. How pretty that is with the embossed Linjer across the top here. And inside of our box, we have a ring. This is what the inside of the box looks like. Again, it has that beautiful gold foiled brand on the top. And then this is what the ring looks like. This is the curved diamond ring in 14 karat gold. This one also does come in silver as well. If you look at it from the top down, it does have the slightest bit of curve to it. You can also see from the side profile of the ring that it has the slightest curve to the design. It has 7 lab-grown diamonds that are set in the solid gold band. And this is what it looks like next to the thin dome ring. You can see the curve when it's sitting up against something that isn't curved. So pretty. All of their diamond pieces are so sparkly. Oh, I love this. It's so unique, and I love that it's like a subtle curve too, so it just sits against rings really nicely. Next up, we've got another jewelry box, and inside of our box here we have another ring. This one is so stunning. This is the diamond leaf ring in 14 karat gold. This one is a combination of marquee and round lab-grown diamonds. So pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh, I just love the different shapes on this ring. So beautiful. This one definitely feels like an heirloom piece. I also just love a good side profile view of rings like this because you can see just how beautifully they're set into the band. I love this one by itself too. I don't think you need to stack this one. It's so pretty on its own. I mean, like, of course you could throw another ring on next to it, but I just think it is so beautiful by itself. It also does match the earrings that I'm wearing, which is really fun. These are the diamond leaf earrings in 14 karat gold as well. So pretty together. If you wanted to get them as a set, I think they look so nice together. I absolutely love this ring. I feel like that is the most beautiful piece ever. Next up, we have yet another box. Inside of this box, we have another ring. This is the marquee and round diamond ring. This ring has a combination of marquee lab-grown diamonds with round lab-grown diamonds. There are actually 5 marquee lab-grown diamonds in this ring and 8 round diamonds. So this one actually looks really similar to the Nova ring, which I'll show you guys. I was wearing that earlier. I'll show you guys them side by side, but this one is a little bit more bold and has a few more diamonds in it. So pretty. So this is the Aurelia ring, the one here, and then this is the Nova ring. The Nova ring is a little bit more dainty. It has fewer lab-grown diamonds in it. Both are absolutely stunning, but if you wanted to have something that was a little bit bolder, definitely the Aurelia ring. This is so pretty. This is what the ring looks like on. It is just so stunning. This is so beautiful, even from the side. And this is what it looks like with the thin dome ring next to it. It is just so pretty and so unique. I have not seen a ring like this before, where it has 2 round diamonds side by side, giving this like elongated look between the marquee diamonds. Wow. That is absolutely gorgeous. And this one actually does come in silver as well. I just think that is so perfect. Once again, too many good pieces to pick a favorite. I thought that the bracelet was gonna be my favorite piece, but I actually really love this ring that I just opened up. I just think that is so gorgeous. Okay, next up in our next box here, we've got another ring. This is another diamond ring. This is the diamond wavy ring in 14 karat gold. It has the most subtle wave to it. You'll probably be able to see it better once I take it out of the box, but the packaging is just amazing. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, so this is what the ring looks like from the side. There you can see from the side profile, it has the slightest wave to it. It's not a big wave. It's just like the most subtle bend to the ring. This ring has 16 lab-grown diamonds that are set in the most beautiful bezel setting. I love a bezel setting because it's just so clean and modern. I think it works really nicely with the wave design as well. I put it on next to the thin dome ring so you could see just the slight bend that the band has. You can also see it on the back of the ring. It has the slightest bit of bend. So beautiful though. Oh my gosh, you guys know I'm a sucker for anything with diamonds, but these are just so pretty. I wanted to take off the other rings because I felt like it was kind of a lot going on. This is what it looks like by itself. Again, it's just the most subtle bend to the ring. That's what I love about Linjers. Like everything they do is just very understated and elegant. Everything feels really timeless. It's also a really low profile ring, so it's not gonna get in the way. It would be perfect for everyday wear. So pretty. On to our final box, you guys. I feel like that went way too fast. Inside of here, we've got some earrings. I think I might have actually saved the best for last. These are the marquee and round diamond huggie earrings in 14 karat gold. They match my favorite ring from this video. You guys, these huggies are just so perfect. They have a hinge design. I love the diamond pattern on these. They literally match the ring that I said was maybe my favorite piece from this video. Those look so good together. Okay, we have to put these in. These are so pretty. Really quick before I put in the new earrings, I've got on the diamond drop earrings from Linjer. These are the 14 karat yellow gold diamond huggies, and then the leaf studs. Such a beautiful stack. I'm gonna take out these huggies and put in the other ones though. These are actually perfection. I love these. Such a unique earring. You could definitely wear these on your main piercing. You don't have to wear them on a second or third. I think they look so good on a second piercing, but they're definitely bold enough to wear as just like your everyday main piercing earring. I love how much sparkle they have, how unique they are, but they're still very understated and out of the way. They're not gonna be too heavy. They're not gonna be annoying throughout the day. They're just such a good everyday size. And this is what they look like next to the ring. I love the way that these just match so perfectly. If you wanted to get somebody a set, or if you wanted your own set, I just think that these are so unique and so beautiful. Like, oh my gosh. I just love how versatile this size of huggie is too. Like I said, you can wear on your main piercing, your second piercing, you can switch it up, stack it, wear it by itself. It's just such a good earring. And I do love a matching set when it comes to a ring and the earring. I think they just tie in really nicely together. But those are all of the pieces for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I'll have my link down below in the description box with my discount. Be sure to use that when you are placing your order if you want to save some money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite piece was from this video if you end up grabbing anything. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I would love to have you back on my channel for some more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one really, really soon. Bye guys.